everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Yes, it is snowing outside, but that didn't stop me from going shopping. After I went shopping, or after I was heading home, the roads actually weren't that bad. My neighborhood's not plowed, my town is not plowed, but the main town is plowed. But hey, I'm here to show you guys what I got, and yes, I will be going back for a second deal because some of these deals I could not pass up. So let's just dig in and see what I have in my bag. So we ended up getting the Puffs tissues. I absolutely love these. These are on sale for 99 cents. You guys would use 50-cent coupons that we got from the April P&G, making it just 49 cents a piece. So I could not pass those up when they're 49 cents a piece for tissues. So I had to stock up on that, and those coupons only let you do one. The next deal I got is the Clairol hair dye. Now these are two for $14. Now we just received those $3 off coupons. I didn't get them, but you guys can also print them off of coupons.com. So you guys will end up paying $8 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate for the Root Touch-Up and a $2.50 rebate for the Nice and Easy on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $3 or $1.50 a piece, which I think for hair dye it's a pretty good deal, so I could not pass that up, plus, you know, Ibotta. And if you guys haven't already, I already posted several videos of this, but I recently I got a new Facebook page. I'm not really posting very much on it. It's not going to be my original one, but a lot of you guys can become friends on Facebook with me, and then you guys can, I can be on your Ibotta team. So make sure you definitely check that out. I have quite a few of you guys who already friend requested me. I ended up getting these interdental floss-ups of the Walgreens brand. Now these are vary from every single place, but my store had these for $2.29. They're on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would end up paying $3.43 for the both of these, but then you guys get 2,000 points in register rewards. Or 2,000 points, I don't know why I said register rewards, making it just $1.43, which could be a decent price. It comes out to be like 75 cents a bag. I just wanted to share with you guys on this deal. Now this deal you can also pay with points and get points back. I had to do the toothbrush deal. I absolutely love doing the toothbrush deal. And my store had tons of them. So I ended up getting 6 of them. So these were $1.29. They're on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would buy 2 of them for $1.93. But then you get 2,000 points back. And this ends up becoming a 7-cent moneymaker for 2 toothbrushes. And again, these are absolutely, I don't even know what I'm talking about today. That's how ridiculous I am. You guys can pay with points and get points back, and this stuff also counts as beauty. But when you guys do pay with points, you don't get your full beauty points. You'll just get like extra. So I'm just letting you guys know. But hey, I don't care. They're still free. So yeah. I ended up getting the Vaseline men's lotion. Now this is a one-day deal. It ends today, the 15th, Sunday the 15th. These are $4.29. It's buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $1.50 off coupons that we got from the Unilever a couple weeks ago. You guys would end up paying $3.43. But then there's a deal where if you buy 2, you get 2,000 points. So you guys would end up getting these for $1.43. That's like less than 75 cents a bottle. So can't go wrong with that. And I don't get men's lotion very often, so I'm excited to get that deal. up getting the Revlon tweezers because, Paris, will you stop making noise? My cat's being weird. Paris, I'm gonna throw something at you. These are an all month thing, but these are $3.79. This is just simple tweezers. Now, they do have these coupons every once in a while that you guys can get this stuff free, but hey, I just wanted to get some deals, and this stuff counts as beauty. So this is $3.79. You guys want to use those $1 off coupons that we just got in last Sunday's paper. Plus, there is a $2 off coupon that you guys can use in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get each one for just 79 cents, which could be a good idea. I like having tweezers everywhere I go because if you ever have a sliver or something, so we have one in every car. I need to keep one in my purse just because I deal with wood, so sometimes it's nice if we ever have a sliver, so I could not pass those deals up. I ended up getting the Revlon mascara. Now this is on clearance for $4.39. Even though they don't have it marked, it still counts as buy one get one 50% off. Plus it also counts if you buy two, you get 2,000 points or 3,000 points. So I'm just letting you guys know with that. So $4.39, you guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys would end up paying just $2.58 for these, but then you get 3,000 points, making this a 41-cent moneymaker. So you guys could not go wrong with a 41-cent moneymaker. Yeah, I always like that. If you guys ever see products on sale where it says buy one get one 50% off, and if you actually price check the clearance stuff, it'll ring up as that sale price. So like, it's just weird. It doesn't ever say it, but as long as you guys scan it. And I'm sorry I'm yawning. I don't know why. I'm trying not to yawn. A lot of you guys don't like it when I yawn, but I'm just tired, and I did get plenty of sleep last night. I don't know why. I got the Oreo bars. My husband loves these. These were 69 cents. You guys want to use those 55-cent off coupons that we got from a while back ago, making them just 14 cents. And I think for 14 cents for a candy bar, I think that is a great deal. So, yeah, I can't go wrong with that. And then I got the last item. I ended up getting the, oh my cardboard went flying. I don't know why these come with those stupid cardboard things. But anyways, these are $3.79 at my store. They are Pond's. It's a makeup remover. I've yet to use these. I should use them soon. This one's kind of open. Look at that. Okay, sorry, I'm just talking to myself. So these are buy one get one 50% off at $3.79. There are no coupons for them, so you guys would end up paying $5.68 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate times 2. Now the rebate does let you do it to 3 times. So if you guys want to buy a third one or a fourth one, you can, but I would just buy 2 and then let it reset. It usually resets about 24 hours after you guys purchase these. So you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. Plus you guys get 2,000 points for buying 2 of them. And yes, you guys can pay with points and get points back. So this ends up becoming just 68 cents for the both of these, which I think is a pretty good deal. So that was my haul. I thought I went a little bit crazy. I mean, I got more stuff as I was doing my breakdowns last night. I got more stuff than I truly thought it was going to be. The floss deal's not the greatest deal, but I kind of want to get some floss just to have. So why not? And then, you know, can't go wrong with super cheap candy bars. So, yes. So my total came to $22.92 for everything. I ended up getting just shy about 22,000 points. Please remember to have them scan that 5 times every day points. But I ended up getting 2,000 points for the floss. I got 6,000 points for the 6 toothbrushes. I got 2,000 points for the Pond's. And I got 2,000 points for the Vaseline men's. And then I also got 3,000 points. Oh, I'm just losing everything today. I got 3,000 points for the Revlon, and then I also hit beauty, so that was an additional 5,000 points. So if you guys add all that stuff together, I technically got $24 because 18,000 points is technically $20. So if I got 22,000 points, it comes out to be technically $24 in points. My Ibotta, I had a 25-cent off of any receipt. So I ended up getting $8.25 back with Ibotta. And then I scanned my receipt on Fetch Rewards, and I ended up getting 103 points for the Vaseline because some of those items, especially the Unilever items, you guys get extra points. So usually you get 25 points for every receipt you scan, but then you also get the bonuses for certain items that are on the list. Benjamin, no honey. Those eggs are, don't touch the eggs. You got enough eggs. So I just want to let you guys know on that. That's like 10 cents. 103 points is only like 10 cents. So there's that. But if you guys add everything together, it came to $9.33. Moneymaker. Oh yes, I got everything for. Oh yes, I got everything for free
makeup.
Okay, but I love sharing these deals with you guys, and yes, I will be doing more deals with you guys later this week. I won't go crazy at Walgreens like I did last week because I went there 4 to 5 different times, but this time I'm going to go not as crazy, but I have a couple more deals that I wanted to share with you guys. I just didn't have the coupons for them, but yeah, you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I can share with you guys more deals, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.